Hi, these are the instructions for Wednesday, September 23rd. Today you have a quiz to complete. So the first thing you need to do is click on this link. The quiz is due today at 11:59 p.m., so make sure you get that done. There's only 10 questions. You should have no trouble getting through that. You will go through Clever again to go to Edulastic, and the quiz should be there. If you're having any trouble logging into the quiz or any technical issues with the quiz, please email me and I will get those straightened out for you. After you're done with the quiz, you need to work on this Quiz-Is, which is a review for our first test. We have our first test this Friday. So when you click on this, this is just a reminder, it's a review for Friday's test. You will complete the Quiz-Is, then you have to submit a screenshot with your score back to the Schoology assignment. The screenshot has to include your name. You can take the Quiz-Is as many times as you want, but you will not get credit if you don't type your name. So the link to the Quiz-Is is this red link right here, and then here are instructions about how to log in. So after you click on the link, you should see a box that either says type your first and last name here, or you might see signed in using Google, either way, but make sure that your name is in there, please. So when you're done, it should look like this with a first name and a last name and a score. And that's what you need to submit back to me. But you can redo that Quiz-Is as many times as you would like. And if you have any questions on it, please let me know. The other thing I need for you to do is I need for you to look at your grades over here on the left-hand side, right where mine says grade book, yours says grades. Many of you have still not been completing homework, and we have a test on Friday. So you need to make sure that you get that homework done, and you can redo those 3 times. So if you would like to redo any of the ones you've already submitted, you can certainly do that. Good luck, have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.